I'm a board certified child, adolescent, and adult psychiatrist and have helped over 260 Psych NPs master psychiatry. And so in this video, I'm going to cover how you can find more time to learn and master psychiatry. So when I was in residency, something that I struggled with was we had our full work day of seeing patients, of doing clinical stuff. And then on top of that, I had to figure out how to learn all this new knowledge of a field, psychiatry, despite like having worked a full day. And so what I have realized is that, okay, I need to be much more efficient with the time that I use. And one strategy that I found, and this I still do to this day, and I think this will blow your mind and it will change things, is you want to be learn, and listen during downtime. This is the whole thesis behind this video. So when I would be commuting, I remember in residency where my home, I had to go to the VA every Monday. And so when I would be going to the VA, when I would be going to the VA, it was like a 30, 45-minute drive. And so then I started listening to podcasts. And specifically, I was listening to psychiatry related content. And then what I realized is that, wow, like I'm actually learning a lot from these as I'm driving. And so then I started exploring this and doing it everywhere. Basically, I was like, okay, how can I just listen to stuff as much as possible? And then basically to accelerate my rate of learning. Nowadays, like I pretty much am listening to stuff all the time, all throughout the day. Like I'll have my AirPods on. And even like sometimes my mom will be, she'll see and then she'll say something I won't realize because I was listening to something. What I want to share with you is all the times that I am listening to stuff, so that way I can master I can master like business, I can master psychiatry. And so I want to share all the times that I listen to stuff during downtime. So number one is my AM routine. So when I am brushing my teeth, when I am doing my skincare, when I'm changing clothes, I have on a podcast or a business lecture or a psychiatry lecture or something that I'm listening to. Guaranteed. Because that's like time that I'm just doing monotonous stuff. So it's like, why don't I take this time to be learning? So this is like 15 to 30 minutes that you could be using to learn something. So AM routine, super, super important. So number two, this is one time. Another time is commuting. So when I was living in New York, I would have to take the subway to when I was working a job. And so I'd take the subway to work, take it back, and then, and then obviously I go do other things as well. And during that time, I always have my headphones in because I'm always listening to something that's or like an audiobook or a podcast to help me learn. This is such a good time to be able to learn and listen. Yeah. Number three is cooking. So I make pretty simple meals. Like I make scrambled eggs, or I might grill some vegetables, or I might grill some salmon, like pretty simple stuff that doesn't require a lot of brain power. And so during that time, I'll always have something on, like a podcast or an audiobook, so that way I can be learning. Number four, during eating. So when I eat, that's when I listen to stuff as well too. Because eating can take 15, 20 minutes. So it's like, right, why don't I just be learning at the same time as well? So during eating, I will do this. Number five, during errands. So let's say I have to go walk somewhere, or I have to go drive somewhere, or like for example, in New York, like I might have to go out to do some kind of errand, or you might have to go walk the dog or something. This is great time to be able to learn something. Like you should have your AirPods or your earplugs in, whatever, and like that can be a great time to be learning. If you have to go to the store for something, like why not be learning something at the same time? So number six, so on the treadmill. I tried this when I was like with weightlifting, and I can't do it. Like it reduces the enjoyment I have for my weightlifting session when I listen to something enjoyable, like an audiobook. So I don't do that. But during the treadmill, I found if I'm just like doing walking or light cardio, that's an easy time to be listening to something educational. So now like I'll just prop my phone and I'll listen to like a business lecture or a psychiatry lecture as I'm on the treadmill. Or like, if you're walking, same thing. Number seven, So number 7 is going to be during laundry. So I get my laundry delivered because I want to, especially when I lived in New York, right? I want to focus my time and my brain power on mastering psychiatry and mastering business. But when the laundry was delivered, they would hand it to me all folded, and so I would have to put them. I'd have to hang them or like fold them and put them put them in my closet. And so during that time, I'd have on my audiobook and I would be listening to something during that. So that's number 7. And then number 8 is during the shower. So when I would be showering, I'd connect my phone to a speaker, and then I would listen to the podcast or the audio lecture, whatever. And this would also help me learn as I'm showering too. And then here I'll add in a bonus one. So bonus is during flights. So, you probably don't have Wi-Fi anyway during the flight. So instead of just like scrolling as I've seen people do, because they'll get the Wi-Fi, or they'll like go through their phone, like their photos or whatever, use that time to learn. I'll have an audiobook save and I'll literally just listen to it as I'm on the flight. Yeah, I hope that this can really help you. This is one of the most important things that I do in my day-to-day life. I strongly stand by this, is that I listen and learn during all the downtime that I have. And so this has helped me accelerate my progress in life so much. And so especially if you are a newer Psych NP or you're a student and you're trying to find the time to learn psych, start utilizing this system. And this is what I tell our members, is that in our PMHNP Academy is literally just use this time to, or like listen to the lectures whenever you have downtime like this. So hope this is helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.